Operation procedure of diesel generator set. How to operate diesel generator. The canopy can protect the generator set well. Showing the interior of the diesel generator. 1. Open the tank cap. Add diesel. 2. Open the top lid. And add antifreeze. 3. Open oil cap. Add oil. 4. Check the oil level gauge to see if the oil is sufficient, based on the oil scale. 5. Connect the battery. The positive and negative terminals must be connected correctly. 6. Exhaust way. When there is air in the injection pump, the engine can't be started. Use a wrench to loosen the nut on the exhaust hole. Press the hand pump back and forth until the oil comes out of the exhaust hole. Continue to press for about 10 cm. Tighten the exhaust hole nut, and then press a few more times. 7. Power on. Turn the key to the right to start the machine. Click the start button. Press the stop button to stop the machine. 8. Emergency stop. Emergency stop. Press the red button. Press and clockwise unlock. Press the reset button. 9. Power off. Press stop and turn the key to the left.